Deadlock's here again, and I'm now in those unpickable Chinese transport handcuffs. And now I'm going to need to try and get out of them.
Before we send you to China.
Preferably, yes.
And the escape begins. In goes the little wiggly bit. In with the bobby pin. A bit of a jiggle and a wiggle. And a twist. Oh, that was a good click. So we move on to the leg irons, which are a bit different because they have a screwy screw on it. And we are not doing any freebies here today. Mr. Deadlocks is having his shoes on. If you want to pay for that kind of content, send Mr. Deadlocks a DM or a message, and I'm sure he might oblige for the right sum of cash.
75 years later.
I mean, and then it's just a keyway, like a keyway. No fandangled keys on them. Bit of a jiggle and a wiggle. And a twisty wiggle. And ka-da-da! Mr. Deadlocks is semi-free.
Much later.
Wiggle and jiggle, file and jiggle. Ta-da! And Mr. Deadlocks has kept it on his wrist because now he has
A big swingy weapon.
a big swingy weapon.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!